that this would happen. I kind of told you, like, I'm going to go off the stage, and then you're going to keep going, and then I'm going to come back. Keep my promise, Jersey. Because I love you. I did just get the update that Satan is still awake. Awake. Do you know how much adrenaline and joy this would bring him? Then we'd all be up in the RV in our little love bubble, which would not become safe or loving at all. There's nothing like a 2.5-year-old 11:30 p.m. in a state where you don't want him to leave, a safe place. And he has Thomas the train now, so he has to go outside. He has to. He wants to show Thomas the rain. I think of all the things that have changed me as a person, motherhood has definitely made the deepest impact. Yes. Because it's everything. It's before I was a mother, I was already a mother and I didn't know it. And I was mothering my bandmates and my best friends and my parents and my brothers and sisters. And now I have someone I can mother, and the poor kid is getting mothered. Oh boy. But I really get it now, and it's put things in perspective. So I'm going to take you out this evening with a meditation on life. Beginnings of it, the middle of it, and the end of it.